video of every single, sound in sprunki traifix. Oren. Raddy. Clock is here now. Funbot. Vinaria. Beats all together. Gray, good person. Brood. Donald. Oxen Sky. Whatever this is called altogether, I forget. But this is a weird bug as well. Mr. Sun. Durple. Mr. Tree. I'll just do this and then restart it. Back. Now, Simon. Tuna. Mr. Fun Computer. Linda Pinky and Devon. Every single bonus. The time. I'll just leave it like that because I'm not holding it. Are you joking? 1 second. Okay, we are back. I'll just make a new song, I don't care anymore. Oh, I'll be right back again, guys. you joking? Okay guys, 1 second again. Back, but now I'm going to activate this. Guys, does anything look different? Oh yeah, you spoiled it. Hear this now. Are you guys ready for the cooking? Here we go. Guys, now it's time for my top 5 best favourite sprunkies in this mod. Number 1, Mr. Tree. Number 2 has to be Simon. Number 3, Funbot. Number 4, Weird Wicked Mr. Sun. Number 5, Every Day a Good Day. Then number 6 and 7. Great. It's Pinky and Darryl. No wait, it's actually Darnold. And then I got one more thing for you guys. I have to say, shout out to Ricardo. I have no idea how you say it like that, but Miles the Gamer, Daniel Built Different, Julia Taco, whatever it is, Mike Wazowski. Okay, guys, there is one more thing before I end. These guys, just nothing bad.